Hi, I'm Kat and I love my Instant Pot. Instant Pot thinks that I could be a little better. Instant Pot also says that it's a brand new year, which is a chance to be a whole new me. There's so many different me's that I could be. I could be Dick Cheney, or I could be Christian Bale. I could be National Treasure Rachel Ray, or I could be Meghan Markle and Sparkle. I could be the girl on the salt box, or I could just be me, but different. So I'm making a smoothie. I hear that's the way to wellness. I just go with whatever is here and I'm grateful that it has shown up. So today we have devil kale, fig, bananas, lump, my soul, orbs, punishment thing, ball. I'm gonna try to open the, do I throw it? Do I?
Kat, put the pomegranate down. Let me see it. Put the pomegranate down.
Hi, Mr. Grimm. Everybody, it's my very best friend, Mr. Grimm.
How's it going? You making a smoothie?
I'm gonna be a whole new me. Do you want to be better?
Yeah, I guess I could. You know, I got all these problems. All my body hair is great. I got like a nipple hair that's like as long as my fingers. My like butt has chins the way like a big chin has chins.
Would you like the hell ball?
Sure, yeah. Got it.
It bled. Thank you. Thank you for your sacrifice. While you're doing that, have you ever had a smoothie?
I cannot talk about it. Lawyers got involved. It was bad. So Kat, did you have any New Year's resolution?
I decided I'm gonna clean the corner more.
Okay.
So the stuff doesn't, you know, it's on top of the fluff. There's the stickiness,
right.
And then ouch, and then it's later. Yeah, Instant Pot, I didn't decide that one for myself. Surprise, all things have blood in them. This is how we create ourselves anew, with the blood of the earth stones. Have you met Blender?
I didn't know Blender was gonna be here, actually.
Is it awkward?
Yeah, it's kind of a history. Hi, honey.
Are you allowed to touch Blender's buttons?
No.
I want you crazy kids to work it out. That's gonna happen.
That's not gonna happen. No, not this year, not next year, not in a year. I don't think,
How's the holler? How's the holler?
You know, we got hit by some rains pretty bad over the holidays, but...
over the holidays?
Yeah, happy holidays, Kat.
Is that what this is?
Well, you know, the holidays are kind of over at this point, but...
What? Which holidays have there been?
There's Valentine's, that's a good one. Do you have big plans with Instant Pot for Valentine's?
Things are done to me, and near me, and around me.
Oh.
But not with me.
All right, well, you know, whatever works, you know, it's like, you know, you never know what happens between two people or a person in a pot, you know?
Is that all Instant Pot is to you? What were you and Blender all about? What would you think if somebody just said you and a thing with a motor?
Look, I was at Williams-Sonoma, I'd been drinking, Blender was there, one thing led to another, and we dated for 7 years.
Where do your children live?
I don't know, I'm not in touch with them, not allowed to be, it's a whole thing, I don't want to get into it.
This got grim. Do you have any other resolutions?
I might move, I don't know, the holler's getting a little pricey. I don't know, maybe I'll come by more often.
Where are we?
Just like, there's like the earth, and there's like the cities, and there's the people, and you're just kind of like directly down under it, like right in the middle.
Am I under Jason Momoa?
Yeah.
That's nice. Do you think he'd come here and have a smoothie with us?
Yeah. I don't know if he'd fit through the little portal over there. That's huge.
A portal?
Yeah, he's like 4 of me.
I've never made a smoothie before. I hope this is how you do it. You know better than I do. It really has to be you.
No, I'm really not supposed to touch Blender. It's just like a whole thing.
It's still chunky. What should I do?
Might need some of the old, yeah.
This will make me well. This will burn me clean. This will burn through my insides.
That's your ticket to wellness. Getting well. Wellness.
There's one more thing we have to do.
What's that?
Instant Pot said not to ask any questions. Just more. It's goop, but not from nighttime. Are you ready to be best?
Yeah, all right, let's do this. Ready for the new me.
I'll miss you.
I'll miss you too. All right, hit me with some wellness.
2 hands.
All that black stuff made it heavy or what? Whoa, it is heavy.
Cheers, Mr. Grimm.
Cheers to the new us.
To the new us. Mr. Grimm, how do you feel now?
Feel a little younger. I'm kind of glowing. I don't have a rash anymore.
Has the seeping stopped? Are you ready to dance about it? In the new year, we're gonna have so many dance parties. There's Mr. Grimm and Blender are gonna make up.
No.
And then I'm gonna be a different me, who is someone who lives in the sunshine and Mr. Grimm. Happy New Year.